Make a great choice today with the 2024 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, four-wheel drive, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, privacy glass. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Every certified pre-owned Nissan meets or exceeds comprehensive criteria and passes a rigorous inspection. We look at everything with meticulous detail before admitting any vehicle into the Nissan Certified program. See your Nissan dealer to find the certified pre-owned vehicle that's right for you.